Hey guys, it's me, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. There's some pretty slime around the edges, like over here, and just a little dots. So first we want to add some glue. Doesn't matter what kind of glue, it can be wine or... That's just a person from my family, my dad. Yeah, my dad. Coming downstairs. Don't mind him. He's just gonna do the lamp stuff. So, doesn't matter what kind of glue. Clear, white. Okay, so let's pour some in here. Yep. I'm gonna be teaching you how to make some fluffy slime. I don't want to use all the glue. That's the TV there, if you can hear it. But yeah, there's TVs on, so didn't use all of it. You can add some water if you want. There was just water in here. Yeah, so now let's add the food coloring. Just gonna use a squirt. You don't need that much food coloring. If you want to make it colorful, you can. Here we go, just a squirt. And I have another pack of food coloring, so don't worry. Then you want to add some shaving cream. We're going to be adding a lot because we want to make it fluffy. Yeah. Pull up your sleeves before you touch it. Then you want to add some borax. Not too much because then it will be very sandy. There we go. Let's just add a little bit more glue. Just a little more glue. This process takes a lot of time. It's been 3 minutes already. Let's add some more shaving cream because we want to make it fluffy. Fluffy, fluffy. Oh, I want to make it fluffy. I just want to make it fluffy. Add just a little more borax. Then there we go. Done. Now we'll fold that borax. Okay. Now we want to stir it up. No, more glue. So the food coloring is in there. Show you how it looks right now. Right like that. Just here we go. Now we just want to mix it all up. Gonna turn pink. I did this yesterday, so yeah. Over all this. It's kind of tall for me, so still getting used to it. Come on, get in here. Get in me. Why not? Gravity Falls is on right now. I was watching different shit. And I speak also a different language, so yeah, don't mind the people who talk Back there, that's just my family, and don't judge how we talk. We're just a normal family. My hands are full up with it. I'm not using a spatula or a spoon, but I probably should. Yesterday was much more cleaner. Yeah, it's been 6 minutes already. You probably don't want to watch me mix all of this, but yeah. Still fluffy though. Still fluffy. Very fluffy. So fluffy. Gonna wash my hands. I'm making slime.
Joy ze śmierci.
I'm doing this on camera.
Dobrze.
Okay. So this is how it looks right now. The screen turned off right there. Okay. Okay. Just got a notification. This is how it looks. It's pretty white. I want to use a spoon. Just gonna do it. Nobody will notice. I'm gonna wash it anyway. I got it. I'm also going to bring this slime how it should look like. So, wait 1 second, please. Okay, I'm back. This is how the slime should look like. But it has been left overnight, so, yeah. And if you make it really sandy, you have to wait overnight. And after that, now you won't be that sandy. It's like this one is like a stress ball. So let's put that to the side and focus on making this one fluffy as ever. Sad. More shaving cream. Yes, I forgot to take the cap off. Here we go. Oh, just came to go. Anyway, just a tad bit more glue. Here we go. I don't know what that was. Casually just waiting here. looks like right now. Soft. I also got some soft and slow and smelly squishes. Go buy them if you want. I'm not saying you have to. Not saying you have to. I love the feeling of shaving cream. So, or you can call it shaving foam, however you call it in your family. It's so thick and soft. I love it. It's been long since I uploaded a video. No, not that long. Huh? What? I thought I heard somebody come on in. Getting up. Be right back. Wait for part 2.